Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Smith, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you how we buy a Perk chocolate from Daraz app. So let's start our video. So first of all you have to install the Daraz app. After that you have to open the Daraz app and search here in the search box. Here I am writing here Perk chocolate. Here. So basically here Perk chocolate. After writing Perk chocolate you have to search for that, and you can see it basically different samples are came in front of you. So basically I'm going to click on this one. Here basically you can see it two samples are available in this one. First one in front of you can see it 36 units at rupees 10 each. You can see it per wafer filled and coated with compound chocolate. So here basically you can see it 36 units at rupees 10. Here basically per wafer filled and coated with you can see it a compound chocolate. So here basically you can see it Cadbury Perk chocolate pack of 36. You can see it here. So if we talk about the price of this one, then you see it here PK rupees 425 rupees. So if we talk about the you can see it here. If we talk about the rating, then you see it here 4.2 out of which 5 star are given here based on 14 reviews, and you can see it here 99 is already sold. So here basically 23 people love this product. You can see it here. So standard delivery 12 September to 13 September. You can see it here 3 product questions and answers. So here basically MRQ shop Karachi 93% positive review. So here basically bank promotions, bank vouchers available click to collect. So here basically coins promotion, earn up to 425 coins on this item, redeem coins on checkout to get discount. So here basically if we talk about the specification, then you can see it here brand, no brand, SKU number is also given here. So here basically delivery. So you have to select your location on which part you want to get this item. Standard delivery 12 September to 13 September rupees 99 is service charges. Service 7 days return, change of mind is not applicable, and warranty is not available. So basically we talk about the rating and reviews, then you see it here 14 reviews are given here. Out of which some of them are given below. You can see it here. Yes, it's really amazing chocolate. You can see it here. Thank you for your valuable feedback. So here's another one. 36 pieces 10 rupees 360 rupees, and iPad 525 inch delivery for chocolates that are not fresh and seem like a copy. I have been eating this chocolate for a long time and this is rubbish. So another one by Abdul Ji, nice experience, good item, fast delivery, good packing. Thank you for your valuable feedback. So basically here you get questions about this product. You can see it 3 questions already asked. So retail 5 or 24 pieces, you can see it 175. So basically if you want to ask any question, then you have to click on this ask question option. So here basically MRQ shop Karachi, you can see it here 93% positive seller rating, 100% ship on time, 100% chat response rate. So basically if you want to follow the MRQ shop, then you have to click on this follow option, or if you want to only visit the store, then you have to click on this visit store option. Recommended by seller, you can see it here basically recommended by seller. You can see it different names are also came here in front of you. So here basically product details are also given here. You can see it in front of you. So basically I am now going back. So here basically you can see it Cadbury Perk chocolate. You can see it pack of 36. Here I think this is going to be opening. Yes. So basically I am now going back. So here basically feature brand, no brand, and SKU number given here. You can see it. So brand, no brand, Perk chocolate, chocolate wafer 36 pieces original and rupees 10 per each. You can see it here. So people who viewed this item also viewed. You can see it different more samples are also given here. You can see it. This time I'm going to click on this one. You can see it 24 units at rupees 10 each. You can see it Perk chocolate taste with you can see it wafer that perks you up. So per chocolate coated with compound, one box in 36 per pieces, low stock. So here price of this one is 410. So if you have to buy this Perk chocolate, then you see at the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this Perk chocolate. Thanks for watching this video.